Welcome to Razer's Gaming Mouse Mega Factory. Today, I'll show you how we build the weapons of esports champions. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
Inside Razer's advanced optical sensor manufacturing. The Razer Focus Pro 30K sensor assembly.
Ensuring every click, every movement, meets the highest standards of precision and durability for the ultimate gaming experience.
With our new sensor technology, we're pushing the boundaries of precision, giving gamers the edge they need to dominate.
Optical sensor batch OS789-B42.
Serial number RZ0.
The sensor feels really responsive, click tension is just right.
Boss, the optical sensors are showing significant jitter on multiple surfaces.
DPI accuracy is all over the place, and gamers are reporting pixel skipping and fast movements. We need to eliminate this jitter without a full sensor redesign. The tournament is next month.
The optical tolerances are already at their limit.
Dual solution, improved surface calibration algorithm in Razer Synapse software, plus optimized sensor LED intensity. Automatic surface detection enhancement.
Some units experiencing unintended double clicks despite optical technology. Switch timing calibration needed. Gaming precision affected. Click reliability investigation.
With these new debounce algorithms, we've enhanced the infrared beam detection timing, completely eliminating false triggers. We're now implementing individual LED calibration for each mouse, using automated color measurement and spectrophotometer validation per unit.
For gamers, by gamers.
Razer gaming mouse assembly. From 30,000 DPI sensor to championship-ready peripheral, Chinese precision engineering for competitive gaming excellence. Production flexibility. Gaming perfection for every playstyle.
This sensor is insane, every flick is pixel perfect, optical switches give me the speed advantage I need. Razer understands what pros need.
Razer gaming excellence. Over 4,000 peripheral specialists trained annually. Many are gamers themselves, understanding what competitive players demand. Razer 2030. AI gaming peripherals. For gamers, by gamers. Forever.
Team, today's focus is sensor precision. We need sub-micron accuracy for our new esports targets. Let's optimize latency and DPI. Yesterday's output was strong. Let's hit today's sensor targets.
Agreed. Esports quality metrics are key, especially click durability for competitive standards. We want to create the best esports gaming mouse. That means we have to dive deep into every single component and understand how it works.
Vision system verification commencing. Check optical alignment.
Just like that. See? Wow, it's so precise. That's amazing. Your turn for the next one?
I think I got it. Yes, we passed.
In my last game, I noticed the sensor wasn't tracking perfectly. If we adjust the calibration here, it could give Razer users a real edge.
The sensor calibration is drifting under thermal stress.
Can we reroute the power to stabilize it?
If we adjust the casing material, that might dissipate heat faster.
Production is green, but these esports quality metrics need to hit platinum before the tournament deadlines.
Understood. We'll maintain 24/7 gaming continuity. Competitive focus is paramount.
Now you know Razer's esports secrets. What's your main gaming mouse? Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory for more gaming tech deep dives.
Next, Logitech Gaming Mouse Factory Secrets. Then, SteelSeries Production Precision. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.